Dota2 Senate. In this problem, we are given Senate string in which each character represents a senator, and the letter R means this senator belongs to Radiant Party, and letter D means that this senator belongs to Dire Party. We have to choose the winner, and we can only choose winner when there is only one kind of letter in this Senate string. If there is only R's in the Senate string, then we can to declare that Radiant Party has won the election, and if there are only D's in the Senate string, we can declare that Dire Party has won the election. Now each senator, let's suppose we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 senators in the round table, and each senator can vote in this election. What he can do is ban any other senator from another party. So for example, if this senator belongs to Radiant Party, this senator can ban any other senator from Dire Party. And let's suppose this senator, and this senator belongs to Dire Party. This senator can ban this senator from taking part in election, and we'll be left with only this senator, this senator, this senator, this senator, and this and this. That means only 6 senators, because this one is banned from the election. And we'll move to the next senator, and he will do the same thing, ban another senator from another party from taking part in election in any round. And we'll do this until we reach the end of the round table. And when we reach at the end of the round table, meaning reach the end of the string, we will do the second round of election, third round of elections, and so on until we are left with just one kind of senators. That means we are just left with R's or D's. We'll keep doing this, and once we are left with only R's or only D's, then the senator can declare that they have won the election. This example here, we are given Senate string RD. We will start from the beginning R. So here we are given RD. We'll start from the Radiant Party senator R, and this senator will perform his duty and ban senator from another party. He will ban D senator. And as we move to the next point, we have reached the end of the round table because there is no other senator after this, and we will come to the Radiant senator again for second round, and this senator will notice that there is no other senator from Dire Party, and he will declare that the Radiant Party has won the election. We will solve this question using queues. We will separate the Radiant and Dire senators into separate queues, and in those queues we will add indexes of R or D character. So for example, if R is at 0 index, 3 index, we will append 0, 3 to Radiant queue. And in next step, we will check if the index of R is greater than index of D. If R index is greater, then we will ban that senator, meaning we'll pop both these from the queue, and we will not append R again because its index is greater. But since D Radiant Dire senator's index is smaller, we will append it again to the queue so that he can take part in the second round. Let me show you how we can solve this. First of all, we will initialize two queues, Dire and Radiant, and then fill up these queues. For I, S, enumerate S Senate. So what this means is I is the index and S is the character. So if S is R, then we will append it to Radiant queue, else we will append to Dire queue. Note, we are appending I, which is the index. And now in next step, while Dire and while Radiant, while there are elements in both these queues, only then we will continue the while loop. If any of these queues has reached an end, come to an end, then we can declare the winner because there are no more senators from the another party, just one senator, one kind of senators left, either Dire or Radiant. So We will pop both these senators, pop left and pop dir senators as well, dir dot pop left. And once we have popped both from both the queues, this is the index of the radiant senator and this is the index of the dir senator. So whatever index is larger, let's suppose if r is less than d, if r is less than d, meaning radiant senator can ban the dir senator, and we will have to append radiant senator to the queue again for the next round. So we will just append it to the end of the queue, which will be r plus len senate, and we will maintain its position in the round table. So for example, if we was staying at seat 3, we will maintain its position at seat 3 index r, else we will just append dir to the queue if dir senator's index is smaller, plus len senate. And once we have reached to the point where either dir or radiant queue is empty, then we can just declare the winner. We will say dir is the winner if there are any elements in dir, else we can confirm that radiant party has won the election. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you on the next one. Please consider watching LeetCode 75 series.